In this video, we're going to take a look at how we insert pictures into Word documents. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch on the show hide so I can see what's going on here in my document. If that annoys you at all, you can just switch it off. I want the picture to go in just here, so I'm just going to press enter. And now what I need to do is I need to go to the Insert tab, and I'm going to go to Pictures, and I'm going to choose this device. Now it's just a matter of locating where the picture is. So I've located my picture. All I need to do is double click on it. That drops the picture in. Now let's have a look at some of the things that we can do. So at the moment what it's done is it's activated a picture format tab. So the picture is selected, we can see the edit handles. If the picture's not selected, you'll see the picture format tab disappears. So make sure it's active. Now there's a variety of things that we can do by moving up here, just resting your mouse pointer on the different options that are available just to make the image look a little bit different. The main ones you're going to be interested in are the position. If I click on position, the default here is in line with text. So it has text at the top and text at the bottom, but there's no text beside it. If you move through each of the options, you'll see how it actually changes the way the picture is placed in your document, with you having to do very little. So these options here can be quite helpful if you've got a little bit of an idea of where you want this image to go. This one's the default. Now, if, for example, you want this image to have text wrapping around it, that's where we need to make sure it's selected, picture format's activated, and we go to wrap text. Now from here you can see it's in line with text. If I go square, and I'm not clicking on any of these, I'm just scrolling through the options, and it's giving me a live preview as I choose each option on the right hand side. So these are all the various options. So you choose the one that you want. I'm going to leave mine as in line with text. So there's some options to wrap your text. Now if you are doing a document and you have lots of images in them, they may vary in size. So if you're going to email this as a document or a report to someone, you might want to compress all the images to make the file size smaller. The easiest way to do this is to do it all at the end. So pop your pictures in, you click on a single picture, and up here we have a compress pictures option. Now from here you can take the tick out of the box, apply only to this picture if you wanted to apply to all the pictures in the document. From here you could then choose email or web, which will reduce the size of the image. Visually you won't see a lot. The only difference would be if you need to print it out and you want a bit more clarity. If you choose one of these options and click OK, it will automatically compress your file or all the pictures in your document if you chose that option. The only things you need to be clear on is if you later on want a higher resolution image, you'll need to insert the image back in again. And certainly if you're getting this printed out by a commercial printer, you'll want to choose print quality, which is the highest resolution. So that's inserting pictures into Word documents.